No, it doesn't make me hungry at all.
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
That's insulting.
No, because I'm full, Tommy.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything! Good morning, guys! Good morning, good morning! Ano lang, guys, ang gagawin ko is, alis kami. Alis ako. Kunin ko si Lodi. Punta kami doon. Bahay ni Pinsan, Andy, and Ate Claire. Kasi yan si Andy is pinsan ni Tamimoy. So yun lang, and then mag-harvest lang ako ng tomato. Padalan ko lang si Ate Claire ng tomato. Yun. Where did you put the bacon?
Freezer.
Can I take it out? For you, if you can make BLT later?
No, I can take it out if I want to make it. I'll see you later. Leave it in the freezer. Unless you want to take it with you.
No, seriously, honey, take with me. I don't even realize my phone is here. This one here. Okay. Oh my God, my husband is crazy. No, itong tomato. May mga smiley face man ito eh. Mga ganito. That's it. Ito lang. Marami pa manghinog dyan. So, yeah. Hi, Ime! He's watching the dog today for me. He's not going. Nako. Sleepy still? You have time to sleep, hon?
Something. Mama eat something. Mama eat something.
Guys, we're just watching this news over and over and over and over. Every morning, this is what we do. I'm going to take this medicine, guys, for my husband's happiness.
You put one drop. The other side, in, out. One drop. I watched. What the heck? One drop.
No, that's it. I feel it, hon.
Yeah, I watched. You one drop and then you squeeze it. It started to come out and then went back in. And then you squeeze it again. It started to come out.
I feel it.
One.
I feel it.
You did one drop. Supposed to be 3 drops. One you did.
I did too, actually. I feel the 2 drops.
One. I watched it. I'm sitting right here next.
I can feel it. Drop. Okay.
I can see it. Yes, you can feel 1 drop. It buries just like 3 drops of burn.
No, I feel it, hon. Honey.
I don't know what you feel. I'm telling you what you did. I got 2 eyes. They work.
Every time I take this, all the flame is losing. It feels like blocking my whole thing. It's like connecting my throat and my nose. It's blocking. It's like if I take this, that's why I like taking a window. It's losing it.
You wanted to get into your blood and fight bacteria and viral stuff.
It's not. Okay, I'm leaving. Han, the chick, I plaster it properly. He want food. Can you give them a little treats?
I'll give him something. Don't worry about them. You think he's starving to death?
I will call you. You say bye-bye to me? You wanna say bye-bye? Huh? I don't have signal here already. Look, I don't have internet. What's wrong? Look. Open this. Not yet. You do that to me. Yeah, first. And then straight.
Hayward. Have fun on. Drive careful.
I
love you too.
so much.
Drive careful. I don't think so. Okay.
Yeah, I will call you, okay? That makes me dizzy. I'm dizzy lately. That's not good driving like this.
What?
Dizzy. I will talk to you later.
Love you. Be careful.
Okay, I will call you.
Okay.
Let me mount this camera first. It's 10:28 na ng umaga. I need to get some gas pa. Half ano na tayo, past half tank na. Hello guys, so ngayon ang mahal pala ng gas dito. 215. Yung iba is 205, 203. Pero dito, 215. Grabe. Hindi ko kg. Ang traffic din dito. Okay, after this one. Tawagan lang natin si Ate Claire.
Hello?
Hello, Ate Claire.
Ano? Ang sana kayo?
Kunin ko si Lloydie and then punta na kami dyan.
Okay, no problem. Take your time. Ano? Drive safely, ha?
Oo, sige. Kita-kits.
Susunduin mo na ngayon.
Oo, nandito na ako sa, malapit-lapit na ako sa kanila.
Okay, no problem.
Sige, te.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay, see you. Bye-bye.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go
Look, guys, alam nyo guys, I'm excited for, look at that. Marunong pala sa Ate Claire gumawa ng bilo-bilo.
Oh, yes.
Bilo-bilo daw yan, guys.
I enjoy it.
And look,
making.
ribs niya guys, ang ganda.
I enjoyed it making when I have company, because when I am alone.
How you make bilo-bilo? Do you buy something, mga kasangkapan?
Yeah.
Saan mo nabili? Sa Asian?
Ito nga, nadurog na nga ito, hindi ito. Iba itong, look.
Hello guys, look at
Oh,
guys. Hello guys.
Look.
Andun pati, uy, buo pa, buo.
Oh, yeah.
Oh
when
my
I keep
God.
on mixing it.
Bilo-bilo. Ano yung orange tea?
Yeah. Dati
Ah,
may ubi yan.
Ubi.
Walang ubi ako
Walang
nabili. Ayan,
paano yan si pang dessert?
pang dessert.
Paborito, alam nyo ba na si Ate Claire is gusto niya yung mga dessert? Gusto
Pang
niya.
Filipino.
Mga Filipino na dessert.
I love to make this when I have company because I could not make it when I'm alone. I could not finish it. It's hard to cook it.
It's hard to finish it when you cook it.
Yeah, and it's hard to...
Andy eat it?
No!
Really won't try?
He would never dare.
Really?
Yeah, he would not.
And guys, gumawa siya ng beef soup. Look, oh. Kita? May ano pa yan, guys?
Arugula, beans,
And
and
broccoli, corn. Look,
Broccoli.
So, ang daming pagkain. Plus, may dala pa si Lloyding pansit. Ginitin natin ito.
Good. I was about to make pancit. Good. But I did not make it in
Look, ang daming luto ni Lloydie. So, meron. Sabi pa ni Andy, kumain daw. Kung nakakain na daw siya nito kasi gumawa daw ikaw.
Oo, kumakain siya. Wow!
So, may pinchit si Lloydie gumawa.
Okay. We will heat it up later. Not now because it will get cold again.
It's been a long time, guys, na hindi ako nakapunta dito. I mean, pumunta ako dito, pero hindi kami nakapasok. Kasi bawal pa that time, di ba?
Yes.
Quarantine.
Quarantine period.
Yeah. So, maganda natin. Te, ang ganda na ng carpet, ang ganda na ng sahig dito. Di ba? Ang ganda
Ito'y
na.
bago rin.
Lahat mo, nakikita ko nga eh. Nag-iba siya. Ang ganda, sobrang ano na maaliwalas na tignan.
Yung table namin
Bago din yan. Oo.
Kasi dati hindi mo.
Maganda dito. At saka ang lapit ng mga kapitbahay. Pero sa Pilipinas, iba yung mga kapitbahay. Huy, Maring! Ano yung luto mo dyan, Maring?
Oo. Ano riyan? Dito, kanya-kanya na lang ang dukot ng lakits. Hoy, dukot-dukot tayo. Dukot. Kami.
Ganito yung ulam, guys. Alin? Oh, mga prutas, naging tao. Ala. Tapos guys, hindi ako makahinga. Grabe yung ulam ni Ate Claire, ang dami. Hindi makahinga sa busog. Oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know? Something wasn't right.
Don't think of all the great things we do. You are
Alas naman yun.
like me. How to be.
LMNOP. Dito. Ay, dito. Oblada. Pitos. Sayaw hap. Nalagip. Nako, lagi ko hindi kayo sumayaw. Dito ka, Tikla. Ang galing ka, Tikla, sumayaw. May ano na siya, Biolok.
Oh, bell pepper.
Bell pepper na.
Might want to drink on the way.
Ay, opo.
Oh, yeah. That's the other one is mine, right?
One is yours?
No, that's mine.
I know,
Oh, this
I know. Tinandaan ko yan.
Oh, akala ko yun yung sa akin.
No.
Kasi nagbago na tayo doon.
Nagbago na ang lahat.
Wala.
Sige, picture.
Ito, kami muna. Saan? Ang sasakyan ko ayun.
Yun yung sa'yo?
Oo, itong kay Andy. Puti ang kanya, silver ang akin.
Gusto ko sa...
Hindi pa naman madilim, mga 6:30 hindi pa. Ayos pa yun.
Sa ibang ano ako daanan kasi ano. Tawag nito, te? Yung...
Route.
Oo, kasi yung ibang route kasi dadalhin ka sa ano, sa mga tolls.
Saan? Oo. Gayo.
Ayaw ko yung ganon, kaya gusto kong malaman kung saan ako mapunta. Oh, yeah, don't worry about it.
It's tummy.
Thank you. I'm looking here.
She is avoiding the tolls. Which route?
Yeah, I want to go to 687.
684.
684.
All right.
So I'm gonna look over here. Where is 684? Is this going?
Go to the corner. Make a left. Go all the way down to the end of the block. Then you make a right. And at the first light, you can either go straight, make a complete left, you make a partial left, and you're going to get on to the Cross County Parkway. When you get on there, just get all the way to the left, because it's going to split. You want to stay to the left, and then it's going to split again a mile or two up the road, and that'll be the Hutchison River Parkway going north.
Uwi na kami. Uwi na. Dito na kami halfway na. Halfway. Uwi na kami, pero ihing-ihi kami kanina, guys. Natawa lang.
The best talaga yung part na yun.
Walay na naman kami nito, guys. Okay, nito lang.
Hindi ko alam kung free. Ito, babe, may nakita ako dito. $12 ba to?
$12. Pag sure, uy, akin yan. 21. Hala.
Ito. Ano ba itong isa?
Dilis.
6. 7. Sakto. Thank you!
Thank you, be. Yung tubig mo, asan yung tubig mo? Okay, hoy. Andun sa labas. Kunin ko. Andun na, bye na. Bye sa vlog.
Bye-bye, vlog.
Bye-bye, vlog.
Thank you, vlog.
Okay, guys. Alis na slowly, guys. Yun, pauwi na tayo. It's almost 7 o'clock. Akala ko mga 6:30. Makauwi na kami. Nadatagalan kami doon kasi kanta-kanta, kain-kain. Gumawa pa si Ate Claire ng bilo-bilo. Ang sarap. Ang sarap na. Masarap yung bilo-bilo. As in, pero guys, sobrang busog ko, guys. Hindi ko na sana yung tapusin. Pero nahiya ako kay Ate Claire ba. Yung binignit. Yung binignit yung naalala ko. Ay, nakakatakot naman itong mga tao dito. Takot na takot ako. Natatakot talaga ako sa lugar dito, guys. Iba yung tingin ng mga tao. Ay, may mga tambay. Ang daming tambay. Iba yung tingin nila. I'm home. Your dada's not even here. Where is your dada? Get in. Hi. Hello, baby. Okay, get in. Let's go. Where is your daddy? Where is he? I don't see your daddy. He's hiding from me. I know. Come here. Where's daddy? Is he hiding? Hi, Tiam. Come here. Where is Dada? Where is he? Where is Dada, baby? Just ginoo ko ang saya. Where is my bestie? Ang saya. Ang saya. Aloy. Ginoo ko ang saya. Mister, come here, Roxy, baby. Okay, what Dada doing? Dito si Tami guys, nagluluto ng ribs. What did you get from ShopRite?
Rib?
What else? I see you add more water over there.
I did do 3 for $6. So.
Like you don't have any more water.
Well, $2 each, so I got 3.
And what else?
And I got eggs, because I didn't know if we were low on eggs, so I didn't check.
Okay.
And
Yeah, I get eggs.
Well, I only got one anyway.
And what else?
I got a laundry spot cleaner. I know we were low on that. I got watermelon juice.
Oh, God.
Chocolate almond.
Okay.
And I
What
got,
is watermelon juice?
it's like a, like a drink. And I got a pack of fried chicken, which I gave 1 piece to the dog already.
Good. Another fried rice. Fried chicken. Why you get fried chicken? We have chicken here.
What else?
Nagluluto. He's gonna have dinner. I'm not gonna have.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm too full, honey. It doesn't make me hungry at all.
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
That's insulting.
No, because I'm full, Tommy. You know what time we eat? 4 o'clock. And then after that we karaoke quick. And almost 4 o'clock we have dinner. It's late. Anyway, so. Hello guys! So guys, punta tayo sa taas. Bihis lang tayo kasi para kung maging komportable nakapag-edit. Gumawa ako ng thumbnail tapos hindi na ako mag-edit kasi pagod. Gusto ko nang maghiga. Gusto ko nang mag-relax, manonood ng show. Kaya nagbihis tayo dito sa taas. Ay nako. Anyway guys, hindi ko na rin ako magtagal guys. I-end ko na itong vlog. Kasi para makapagpahinga na ako. Ako, hinihingan. Kasi yung asawa ko, ba't ang tagal na ni Garillo? Guys, dito naman tayo mag-in sa labas kasi andito si Tami. Say good night. Say bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
You don't see him today, guys. But, yeah. We're gonna end the vlog. We're outside again. Bye, good night.
Bye, guys.
Tami is busy. Anyway, guys, thank you, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Sana nag-enjoy kayo, ha.